All right, so this question says, it takes Anne 3 hours to do a certain task all by herself. It takes Beth 5 hours to do the same task all by herself. It takes Cindy 15 hours to do the same task all by herself. If Ann and Beth together work on the task for 1 hour on Monday, how many additional hours do Beth and Cindy need to work on the task if they want to wrap it up on Tuesday? All right, to do this question, we're going to need to figure out how much Ann, Beth, and Cindy can do in 1 hour. So to do that, we're going to need a 3-row, 5-column table. So it can be divisible by 3, 5, and 15. Okay, the table. All right, so we know it takes Anne 3 hours to do a certain task all by herself. So we need to figure out how much she can do in 1 hour. It takes her 3 hours to do a task. Then in 1 hour, she'll do 1/3. In 3 hours, she'll do 3/3. And I'll make this sentence. We can differentiate them. All right, and I'll make Anne's section red to match the sentence. And we'll write, Anne will finish 1/3 the task in 1 hour. Okay, now we need to figure it out for Beth in the blue sentence. So the blue sentence says it takes Beth 5 hours to do the same task all by herself. Same task, same table. All right, so if Beth can do this task in 5 hours all by herself, then that means in 1 hour she should be able to do 1/5 of the task, since it takes her 5 hours to do 5/5. And we'll write, Beth will finish 1/5 of the task in 1 hour. And now for the yellow sentence. The yellow sentence says, it takes Cindy 15 hours to do the same task all by herself. All right, so if it takes Cindy 15 hours to do with this task, then that means in 1 hour she should be able to get done 1/15 of the task oneself. And we'll write, Cindy will finish 1/15 of the task in 1 hour. All right, now for the green sentence. The green sentence says, if Ann and Beth together work on the task for 1 hour on Monday, then how many additional hours do Beth and Cindy need to work on the task? All right, so what we're focused on is Ann and Beth together working on the task for 1 hour. All right, so we know Ann does 1 row, which is 5 cells in 1 hour, and Beth does 1 column, which is 3 cells in 1 hour. So together they will do 8 cells in 1 hour. All right, now that Ann and Beth have worked together on Monday, Tuesday we have Beth and Cindy working on the task. So Beth will do 1 column, as we know, 3 cells in 1 hour, and Cindy will do 1 cell in 1 hour. So together they will do 4 cells in 1 hour. Right, now we have 3 cells right here. This isn't a complete hour for Beth and Cindy, and they're still working together. So, if it takes them 1 hour to do 4 cells, that means 1 cell will take 1/4 of an hour. 1/4 of an hour being 15 minutes. So we have 3 cells here, 3/4. We have another 15 minutes and another 15 minutes. Together, this is 45 minutes of work for Beth and Cindy. So it takes 1 hour and 45 minutes for Beth and Cindy to finish the task on Tuesday. All right, take Cindy 1 hour and 45 minutes